Hi everyone, welcome to Lost Abroad Café, Devlog number 3. Once again, I'm Brent, the lead developer, and first I'd like to thank the over 200 people that have installed the Lost Abroad Café beta across Android and iOS. I hope you enjoyed your first look, and you've already given us some great feedback on how we can do better. For anyone making an app in the future, iOS Test Flight has a really cool feature where people can take screenshots and submit feedback and bugs really easily. And yeah, there were some bugs. If you were already on our waitlist, the error message telling you to use forgot password instead of the registration screen was hidden behind the text box, so you couldn't see it. On certain screen sizes, the formatting of the management phase was completely messed up. And also on certain screen sizes, the continue button in the introductory message was too close to the edge of the screen to press, so it had to just stay up there. If you were learning Spanish, you may have noticed a menu item in Chinese. And if you were learning Chinese, you may have had some customers order in a combination of Chinese and Spanish. When playing, if you served a customer in line, they all started running into each other and getting jumbled up. And if you were really trying to break the game, you probably found out that you can reopen the menu during gameplay, which is intended so you can check how to make an order if you forget. But what wasn't intended was the ability to start a new tutorial during gameplay. Players could stack up a bunch of tutorial customers and break the game that way. Thankfully, none of these were too difficult to fix. We moved the error text to a more readable place, we updated the management phase icons to be more responsive, and I learned that in Unity I can just drag around the panels to test different screen sizes. We moved the intro message up a tiny bit so there's some space at the bottom of the screen, we fixed the Chinese and Spanish mix-ups, and we updated the scripting to only move people behind whoever was served. And lastly, we disabled the tutorial button in the menu during gameplay. I just submitted these changes to new Android and iOS builds, so the app should be ready to update in a few days. Were you able to find all these bugs during your playthrough? Or were there some that we missed? Let me know in the comments. Later this month, we'll have a new content update where you'll get to learn how to order different types of tea, which also teaches some colors, as well as more pastries you'd find in a coffee shop. Thanks for watching, and be sure to download the Lost Abroad Cafe beta if you haven't already. Links in the description. See you next time.